Everyone and welcome to IRA Tutorials. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to discuss class 10 subject English unit 2 2.1 connecting dots. And already this lesson is video of this lesson explanation is already over, and a link of that video is there in description box. So first go to that video and after that only see this English workshop. So let us start. First, question number 1. Arrange the incident in the life of Steve Jobs in chronological order. That means how it happens step by step, you have to mention it. So here 7 are given. So first will come Jobs dropped out Reed College. This will come first. After that, Job learn about serif and sans serif type faces. Okay. After that, Steve Jobs started next. Then he fall in love with Lauren. So after that, Jobs married to Lauren, and after that, Job returned to Apple again. Okay. After that, Job was diagnosed with cancer and then Jobs underwent a surgery. Okay. So this is the sequence. Here you can see sequence is given, answer is given sequence. Question number 1b. Read the third story again, complete the flow chart given below. First, diagnosed with cancer, then advised by doctor to go home and get things in order, then lived with that diagnosis the whole day, then evening he had a biopsy, then he diagnosed with a rare form of pancreatic cancer, then he had a surgery and was cured. In the youth, read the whole Earth catalog. Final issue, back cover, photograph of early morning country road, word beneath, stay hungry, stay foolish. So that is the message of Steve Jobs, stay hungry, stay foolish. Like that you have to complete this flow chart. Question number 2. Read the lesson and refer to a dictionary and match the words in the column A with their meanings in column B. Diagnosis means what? It is an act of identifying nature of problem or illness. Devastating. Devastating means causing great destruction. Then intuition. Intuition means power of understanding situation or the people's feeling beforehand. Calligraphy. Calligraphy is a beautiful handwriting done with special pen or brush. Then destiny. Destiny is the power believed to control the event. Then catalog. Catalog means a complete list of items specially in a special order and description. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Go through all 3 stories, identify some qualities of Steve Jobs and complete the wave chart. So which qualities Steve Jobs have? Determination, self-confidence, intelligence, courage, willingness to learn and curiosity. These are the what we can say qualities of Steve Jobs. Next, question number 4. Complete the table. The 3 stories in the life of Steve Jobs. So in here, in all these 3 stories, these stories are about what are the setbacks of the stories, what are the reactions of the stories, and achievements and benefits of the story. So first story is about college days. No boarding and no lodging was there. Then what was the reaction? He managed with friend and at a temple. Achievement and benefit, he learned calligraphy during that time. Second story is about starting Apple. Then setback is fired from the company. Reaction is started a new company next. Most creative period, renaissance of Apple. Third story is about death. He was diagnosed with cancer. Then reaction, surgery and cure. And what are the benefit? Learn not to waste time living someone else's life. Okay, that thing we can learn from it. Now say how the calligraphy classes help Steve Jobs after 10 years. Now the calligraphy classes help Steve Jobs after 10 years, because after 10 years when he was manufacturing his Macintosh, at that time he realized that he knows different types of fonts and faces, so he can upgrade his Macintosh with all these things, and that idea came because he did calligraphy classes. Okay, you can connect dots. You can, how we can connect dots? If we look back in the past, then we realize that what we have learned and how we can utilize it, and like that we can connect the dots. Next, Job reacted later on after the shock of being fired from Apple. So how he reacted? He reacted that he was knowing that he cannot live without that work. So he again started the new company next, and he continued his work, his innovation, all these things after after overcoming from the shock of being fired from the Apple. He realized that he cannot live without the same work. So he continued with that with the another by starting another company. Next, Job was cured of rare cancer. How he was cured? Because on that day doctor informed him that he should complete all his tasks because he has less time. But later on when he made a biopsy, so in biopsy report he come doctor diagnosed that cancer can be cured with the help of the operation. So he underwent surgery and he cured. Job acquired the famous word stay hungry and stay foolish. He acquired the famous word because these words always motivate him in his life, and that's why he want to give these words to us which can motivate us in our life. Next, question number 6. Beside those given at the end of the talk by Steve Jobs, pick out other pieces of advice that Jobs gave in his speech. So he gave these three advices in his speech: that learn to connect the dots, love what you do, and don't lose faith. Always believe in yourself. These are the things, these are the pieces of advice given by the Steve Jobs. Now question number 7a, use the following idiom or phrases in the sentence of your own. Drop in. I don't want to be drop in at the wedding. Drop out. I decided to drop out music school as it was time taking. Stumble on. While surfing the net, I stumble into gardening videos. Look backwards. You can only connect the dots looking backward. Look forward. He tried to look forward after his illness. Let down. Don't let me down. Sign off. I would like to sign off today's function with a sweet song. Then begin anew. It is a late to forget past mistakes and begin anew. Next, question number 7b. Fill in the gaps by choosing the appropriate idiom. So idioms are given in the bracket. I am reading the sentences now. How it is completed. Let us see. The wealthy landlord made a will getting his affair in order before he could die. Next, those who aspire for success should always stay hungry to learn more. If you connect the dots, you will realize that crime ultimately leads to poverty. The siren of the ambulance drowned out all other traffic noise. When the father learned about his son's misdeed, it hit him on the head with a brick. On reading exactly same essay in both answer sheet, it began to dawn the examiner that the student had cheated during the exams. Question number 8. Name the tense of the verb underlined to include time and aspect. So, I slept on the floor. So, time is past and slept is underlined and aspect is simple. I haven't found it. Found present, aspect is perfect. We were designing the first Macintosh computer. Time is past and continuous tense. Designing is the underlined verb. It had made all the difference, made past and perfect tense. I am fine now, fine, present aspect is simple present tense. I have been facing death, present perfect continuous. I shall be telling, future, simple continuous. Next, change the tense in the as instructed. I got fired, future tense, future perfect. I shall or will have got fired. Life hits you in the head, present perfect continuous. Life has been hitting you in the head. The dots will somehow connect, past perfect. The dots had somehow connected. I started a company, present continuous. I am starting a company. My doctor advised me, past perfect continuous. My doctor had been advising me. Now, question number 9. Read the news item and write an application for the suitable job in the same company. Attach the separate CV or resume. Okay, so here detail are given. You are supposed to write down letters. Okay, you have to write down letter A and letter B also. So in that you are going if when you are writing a letter to for job application, that means you are going to write formal letter here. Question number 10. Prepare a speech on the title The Will to Win to be delivered before the class during the competition. So before you prepare the speech, you have to follow these points. First, give title to your speech, then introduction, that means introduce yourself, then objective and illustration. Why means what are the objective and illustration of the your speech, that you have to mention there. Then give explain it, the will to win, with example. Then purpose of the title, why you select that title, and what are the sources of implementation, usefulness, benefit, and at last conclusion, that if you have will then only you can win. Like that speech you have to prepare. Then question number 11 is a project. If you want to do, it is up to you, you can do. And question number 12 is also, do you remember doing some activities in your childhood that you didn't like it? Form a pair and make a list of those activities. Do you think any one of the activity have helped you in solving your problem? Share your experience with your classes. So in childhood you might not like that your parents are forcing you to do study, but today you are enjoying your study because you have done something during your childhood. So that is all about the question, all about the English workshop of 2 point this is 2.2, that is connecting dots. Okay, so I hope that everybody might have understood this lesson. If you have any difficulty, do write in the comment box. This is 2.3 connecting dots. Okay, so if you have any difficulty, you can write in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.